If you want to make a study map like this, you can visit our app or customize it using our Python package. Today, I will show you how to create this type of plot. Here is the template preset you can start with. First, I will select my home country, Bangladesh. The state level corresponds to divisions, so let's select a hilly area like Chattogram. Upon selection, it generates and highlights this region, which we can now customize. We can drag and drop, resize, or make it larger. Now, I will activate the water regions by turning on water bodies on map A. We can also change the color. Let me select a dark blue color. Next, we can turn on internal rivers so they become visible as well. Okay, now I will use the regional fill feature. We can change both the fill color and size, as well as toggle and adjust labels. You can turn the labels on or off from here. You can also customize the preset colors for each division separately. Let me select a yellow color for this region. Now you can see the color has changed. If you have data, you can upload a CSV file to plot data points directly onto the map. You can also toggle line features and land cover, which I will show on the second map. You can manually add or draw shapes like rectangles, arrows, or icons. For example, we can add a connector arrow, draw a rectangle and change its color, or manually place icons and set their color too. If you don't need them, you can simply delete them. Additionally, you can add text anywhere on the map. You can also scale, drag and drop any objects on the map. Let's change the overlay style to minimal and adjust the north arrow color to black. We can also resize elements and customize the scale by choosing between a solid bar or a simple line, adjusting its size and changing its color. You can customize or turn off the map title and reposition the map itself. Now, let's customize the second graph. I want to turn off the grid lines here, so I'll set the grid opacity to 0. Next, I'll update the arrow style and change its color. I'll also move the scale bar down slightly to align it properly. Now, let's configure the borders on all 4 sides. I'll enable the borders and set the spacing to 1 or 2 degrees. We can change the borderline color and rotate the axis labels to fit your purpose. You can also display districts within each division and customize their colors. Let's see the terrain layer. Make sure to turn off the regional fill when applying terrain layers to prevent shape distortion. Let's go back to active regional fills with a color that matches our demo. You can customize everything here, including adding markers like triangles or stars to specific locations, such as Rangamati, a district under Chattogram, and changing their color. You can also switch to a topographic base map to display terrain features. Once your map is ready, you can export it as a high-quality PNG, PDF, or SVG for publication. Now, let's select Dhaka to demonstrate another feature. Here, we can display a land cover map and clip it to our region. We can resize or reposition it as needed. We can also turn on water boundaries, lakes, and internal water bodies. Additionally, you can highlight major and secondary roads in different colors, as well as surrounding cities and towns. You can customize everything, and if you need more power, you can use our Python package. I will show another country next time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please share it with your friends and networks so others can discover this beautiful creation. Check the link in my bio.